Hello, welcome to Wedding YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see by the title, today we're only doing wedding talk. This is the first episode of my wedding series. Today I decided to answer all the questions that you guys had regarding my future wedding, dresses, colors, anything like that. It's going to be real fun and girly today, so hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so really quickly, if I look very different, I definitely did like a transformation with my hair. I actually filmed it for another wedding series episode. If you guys want to see what videos I have coming next, stay till the end of the video because I will tell you guys what videos I've already planned for the series if you guys are interested. So, like I mentioned, today I will be answering y'all's questions. It's been a very long engagement. Your girl is finally able to plan her wedding, and I really want to bring you guys along with as much as I can and kind of make you guys part of it. So I asked you guys on Instagram and YouTube if you guys had any questions for me for this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and answer them. Okay, so somebody asked, are you going to vlog the wedding? I'm not gonna actually vlog the wedding, but I will be sharing my wedding video with you guys if you like the wedding content. If I see that the series does well and you guys are liking it, then I will post my wedding video on the channel if you guys are interested. But I don't want to do too much like the day of, especially because that just sounds like it's very stressful. So that's kind of why I'm doing this wedding series, because I want to bring you guys along the planning portion of it, and then the last grand reveal is going to be the wedding video. So I won't be vlogging the actual wedding day, but you guys will get to see the wedding if you like and support the series. Will you go for a honeymoon trip? Or a lot of you guys asked about the honeymoon. To be honest, I haven't even thought once about the honeymoon, just because it's just like an afterthought for me. Like right now, I'm just like very direct tunnel vision on the wedding portion. I don't even think we're going to do a honeymoon right after, because the wedding will be destination. So I just feel like it would be a little bit too much, and I would prefer to come home and like relax, take care of our kitties, and then plan a trip where it's not so like everything on top of each other, so that way we can actually enjoy it more. I will be planning like a bachelorette party and all the pre-wedding things, but not the post-wedding things. Next question is, are you a bridezilla? I don't know yet. I don't think I will be. As of right now, we are at the beginning stages of planning the wedding, and so far I have had my moments where I get stressed out, but I don't really like lash out or freak out, especially not at like my wedding planner or my family. I really want to have fun. I would hate for such an important and happy day to be stressful, especially with how long it takes like to plan weddings. If I'm going to be planning this wedding for like the next year, I definitely don't want to be miserable for the next year. So I don't think I'll be a bridezilla, and if I ever get close to it, I'm just not going to let myself. Some of you guys were asking about budget, and one specific question is, do you consider yourself a frugal bride? So first, let's talk about budget. I will not be sharing my budget because I think that shouldn't matter, and like I want to be helpful, and I just don't think that my budget would be helpful to you guys, because I'm doing what I can with what we can afford, and that you should never like compare yourself with other brides. You should do what you can afford and then go with it. Every wedding can be beautiful no matter the budget. There's so many ways to save money and to DIY. I won't be sharing the budget just because I don't like talking about finances, but do I consider myself a frugal bride? Maybe. I don't consider myself like a non-frugal bride. Like I definitely will be trying to get deals where I can, and I already have been. I've already been negotiating a lot of things, because just because we have a budget doesn't mean I want to stick to it. If I can come under it, I will. So I definitely am trying to save as much money as I can wherever I can. All right, so a lot of you guys are asking intimate wedding or big wedding. You be the judge. We're thinking about 150 guests to invite. And since it is a destination wedding, I'm assuming maybe like 120 will come. For me, I think that's not a big wedding, but like an average wedding. But I know some people that are having weddings with like 300 people, so I guess it would be a little bit intimate. I always picture intimate weddings as like 80 or less, like under 100 people. We are going to invite 150. Obviously, we're hoping everybody can make it, but we also want to be realistic. Honestly, it's just our families and some good friends. We're not really inviting like every person we know. I really just want to invite the people that are like in my life, instead of like thinking of every person that I know. So a lot of you guys asking where we're getting married. I am so excited to share with you guys where we are getting married. I will show you guys where as in venue as well, but I will keep the date private for privacy reasons, of course. We are going to be getting married in San Miguel de Allende, which is a beautiful, beautiful city in Mexico in the state of Guanajuato. If most of you guys know, I am Mexican. I was born in Mexico City, and I've always loved that city of San Miguel de Allende, and it's just stunning. It's beautiful. I fell in love with it. I really wanted to get married in Mexico because most of my family is there, and so I wanted to make it easier for them to get there. So it will be destination wedding for our friends and family in the States. Obviously not for my family in Mexico. No matter where we got married, it would be destination for one side of the family. I'm gonna incorporate as much of my Mexican culture as I can. I don't want to say too much. Stay till the end of the video, again, to tell you guys what episodes are coming, but I will be bringing you along with us very, very soon. Where did or are you buying your dress? So I'm not sure yet because I am actually trying on dresses for the first time next month. And I don't really think I'm going to find it right away. I am going to try at least like 3 different stores. So I don't know yet, but I will let you guys know. I will probably bring you guys with me at one bridal appointment to show you guys some dresses. But yeah, obviously I won't show you guys a dress that I buy, but I'm very excited to start looking. A lot of you guys were asking what kind of dress I like. I will tell you guys what kind of dress I like, but I feel like you never know until you try every kind. I love a mermaid style. I prefer it to be more slim at the bottom. I don't necessarily love the poofiness, and I really want it to have like a huge train. I am loving the nude and ivory with white lace. Loving that combo. I think I'm going to try a lot of those on, but I'm not against trying on like an A-line dress. I'm 99% sure I wouldn't get a ball gown, but I definitely don't want to like only try on mermaid dresses, so I will try everything on, and maybe I can put some of those in the video, but I'm thinking I'll probably get a mermaid dress, and like I said, I do love lace. So a lot of you guys are asking about wedding colors. So wedding colors are kind of like that arrangement, actually. I'm loving the nudes, the neutral, the blushes, and the greenery. I really want it to be very whimsical and romantic. Not too bright, but I still want to add like the blush tones in there to make it very feminine. Like I said, a lot of greenery. That's kind of my vision. I don't know, like very whimsical. I keep thinking of whimsical, so that's kind of like the theme. Like you're in a fairy tale. That's kind of what I'm going for. So we'll see. How many bridesmaids and groomsmen are you having? So this is actually interesting because growing up, I always thought I would have a bunch of bridesmaids, and same with Wyatt, groomsmen. And, you know, we love our friends. We have so many dear friends to us, but since it is a destination wedding and we're keeping it more intimate, we decided not to have a bridal party. We're only going to have a maid of honor and a best man. That's going to be my best friend and my brother, who is actually my fiance's best friend. So we're just going to keep it very intimate. I'm still obviously going to invite all my best friends to the wedding, and they're going to be a big part of the wedding, but we're decided not to have a bridal party. Again, just to keep it more about us, about the marriage, and then just party with everybody. Next question is, will you be doing your own makeup and hair? So this is where it gets tricky because I thought, I don't know, I'm very back and forth on the makeup. I definitely think I want to get my hair done just because I trust people with my hair. I feel like I definitely don't want to be doing everything myself the day off. Like I kind of want to give myself some time to like just have somebody else do things for me, but I'm very like iffy about the makeup because obviously like I do makeup for a living. I'm not a makeup artist, but like I know what looks good on me. I know what I want to look like on my wedding. If I find someone that gives me the vision that I'm looking for, I will hire them. But if I can't find someone that like truly is doing my makeup exactly how I want it, which I know will be very hard to find because only I do my makeup how I want it, then I guess I will be doing my own makeup. I'm not afraid of it. As long as I practice, I think I'm going to start practicing and see how it like photographs. I'm going to be doing my makeup for my save the dates, and so I want to start practicing makeup looks that I hopefully will look good. Somebody said, what shoes are you wearing? I don't know yet, but I definitely don't think I'll be in very high heels for the whole night. I might wear like high heels while getting married, but to me it's like, it sounds nice to have like wedding shoes, but like, does anyone actually see them when you're wearing a super long dress, and how can you be in them all night, especially if you like to break it down on the dance floor? So I really haven't put much thought on my wedding shoes, to be honest. Hopefully I find some that are a little bit lower and comfortable that maybe I can wear the whole night, but I'm definitely not, I'm not the kind of girl that's going to spend a bunch of money on designer shoes for my wedding that no one's going to see and doesn't even show in my dress. Like, it's kind of like an afterthought for me, to be honest. Next question is, what hairstyle do you want to wear? I do love it when a bride wears their hair up. It looks very elegant, but I personally don't think I look very good with my hair up. And even though it looks more elegant, I think I'm gonna do my hair down. But I don't know, maybe I will do like, I'm thinking about like old Hollywood curls with like a really pretty brooch. Like, I want to add something to my hair to like add something to it. Literally, I just said that, but like, I don't want it to just to be like this. Like, I would want to like add like a really pretty brooch or maybe some flowers or something like that. But I think I would definitely just have it curled, which is why I don't mind hiring someone to do it, even though it's something I could easily do. If it is something less that I'm doing, I would rather, you know, them do it. So a lot of you guys are asking what makeup products I'll be using if I do my own makeup. I definitely am still trying to figure that out, but I think before the wedding, once I figure out like the look that I want to do, maybe I could do a video, like a wedding makeup trial, and show you guys like what I'll be doing, and then maybe later you can see my pictures if you like it or not, and then maybe you could do it on yourself. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. Next question is, would you buy your dream dress or would you consider renting one? I'm kind of in the middle. I don't think I'm gonna rent, but I also don't think I would buy my dream dress if it was a ridiculous amount of money. I think the best way to do it is don't try on dresses out of your budget unless you know for a fact that you can stretch it. But if you can't, like, don't fall in love with things that you shouldn't be buying. Again, like, I know weddings are very expensive and so are wedding dresses, and you could still have something really nice within a budget that works for you. So my goal is just to try on wedding dresses that are in my budget, and hopefully I fall in love with one, and that's it. So my dream dress, hopefully my dream dress will be something in my budget, so I would buy it rather than rent it. Next question is, what food are you serving? I haven't gotten to that specific part yet, but I definitely want to serve authentic Mexican food. Maybe not like super Mexican, but with like a Mexican flair. We are going to be having a plated dinner. Like, if it's like chicken, I want to make it like poblano chicken. Like, I want to make sure it's like a Mexican dish. And then also I really want to serve like a midnight snack, and I want to do like fresh churros or chilaquiles. I mean, we're in Mexico. This is where the Mexican food is delicious, so I really want to give everyone like a really good experience, especially with the food, because I know that's important. Next question is, will you have a first look? Do you think it's important? This is actually an interesting question because all my life I never thought I would have a first look. I've always dreamed of just like the first time my fiance sees me is me walking down the aisle. But the way we're getting married, it's like, it's in a beautiful city where I would love to take pictures throughout the city in my wedding gown, and I don't really want to do that any other day but the wedding day. Like, I don't want to do another extra photo shoot with Wyatt before or after the wedding. I want it to be the day of our wedding. So I think right now, I'm not 100% sure, but I think we are going to do a first look just so that we can really enjoy how beautiful the city is for our wedding like pictures. And then after the ceremony, I will actually have time to take pictures with my family and my close friends. That way nobody gets missed out on, like we can get all the pictures we want. And it would be like our last moments. I just got goosebumps. It would be like our last moments before we got married, which would be kind of nice. So I think we are gonna do a first look, but I agree with either. I think it's really cool to wait till the ceremony, but I also understand like the reasons behind why people do first looks, whether it's personal reasons or like for the pictures, you know? What is the best part about being engaged? That's a good question. Honestly, this is gonna sound crazy, but like just being engaged, it's very romantic to like not be married yet, but like have already committed to each other. It's almost like another honeymoon stage. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying like everything's perfect and butterflies and rainbows, but it's like the honeymoon stage before the marriage, and that's something cool to have, because I know if you're dating someone for a long time, you know, you don't have the same honeymoon stage in a relationship, so you kind of get like a new one before you get married, and it's kind of cool. And it's very romantic to know that you're both on the same page and that you're both committed to each other and you're both gonna work towards that. And the goal is marriage. I know marriage isn't for everyone, but if it is for you, the engagement part is a really beautiful time, and I definitely don't think you should rush it. I mean, we've been engaged for almost a year and a half, more because of the pandemic, like we've been waiting it out, but it's been really awesome being engaged. So it's been a good time, and I'm not really rushing into this wedding. I'm actually really happy with the timing of everything. Next question is, what is gonna be your new last name? Well, if you guys don't know yet, my new last name is going to be Love. Mrs. Love. You're looking at Mrs. Love. Of course, Wyatt's last name is Love. So, a lot of you guys were also asking if I was going to take his name, and I am. I really want to have like a family name. I want my kids to have the same name as me. I also understand when people don't take their husband's name. I think you should do whatever works for you. I'm gonna keep my middle name as Strick, so I'm still gonna be vianney.strick. I'll just be vianney.strick Love. Okay, so those are the questions that most of you guys were asking. Now I want to tell you guys what videos I have coming for you guys. One very exciting video is actually two very exciting videos. I'm gonna bring you guys with me to look at venues. I have my eye set on a couple, and we're actually going to book one within the next couple of weeks. And I wanted to bring you guys with me because we are going to go to San Miguel and we are going to tour a couple places. So if you are thinking about getting married in San Miguel, this video will not only be fun for you to watch, but it might be helpful. I will definitely let you guys know what places we are looking at. And then I'm also going to take you guys with me for our save the dates. We decided to take our save the dates while we're there because we got engaged in the snow, and I was gonna use those pictures as to save the dates, but it's kind of weird to be in the snow. It's like save the date for Mexico. We're gonna take our save the dates there, and I want to take you guys along with a get ready with me, and then kind of a behind the scenes on how we're taking the save the dates. Another awesome video that I have for you guys is I really want to take you guys to the jeweler with me. I obviously need to get a wedding band, and I love looking at diamonds and gems, and I found a really cool place that I want to go to get my wedding band, and I thought about filming it. If you guys are interested, it's gonna be very fun. Another video that I have for you guys is wedding dress shopping. I mean, I have so many videos planned for you guys. That's why I really, please, if you do like this series, please support it, like it, comment, watch it, because I know that this is a beauty channel, and so I was very hesitant to be adding something as a wedding series. But if you do like it, please subscribe, please like, please, just watch the videos, because it's only going to get better. And if I do see it become successful, I will also share my wedding with you guys. So hope that you guys are happy about the wedding series. I'm very excited because this is my way of inviting you guys to my wedding. Does that make sense? Obviously, you can't go to my wedding, so this is me bringing you along with me for the ride. So hopefully you guys feel that way, you're included, because you totally are. And I would love to hear your opinions on things. If you don't like what I'm doing with my wedding, you can keep those opinions to yourself. But if you have real ideas or tips, just let me know in the comments below. I'm very excited to show this part of my life with you guys, and hopefully you guys get to know me a little bit more throughout the process. So yeah, I'm very excited. I hope that you guys are too. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all your support, and I hope that you guys enjoy this ride with me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh my god, I forgot to show you guys. This is my wedding planning cup. You like it?